Welcome back to PrinterFix Pro. Today we are solving one of the most frustrating printer problems there is, paper jams that keep happening even though you just loaded a brand new ream of paper. You did nothing wrong, but the paper itself might be the problem. I want to walk you through the fix using the story of Sarah, who opened a fresh ream, loaded it straight into her HP Envy, and watched it jam 3 times before she understood what was actually happening. Let's go. Sarah had a report to print. She opened a brand new ream of paper, sealed, fresh, factory packed, and loaded it straight into her HP Envy. New paper is not always ready to print. During packaging and shipping, sheets get compressed together, humidity gets trapped between them, and the result is sheets that stick to each other. The paper is stuck together. That is what is causing this. Step 1, remove every sheet from the input tray. Do not try to fix the jam by loading more paper on top. Start completely fresh. Empty the tray entirely. Empty tray, starting from scratch. Step 2, flex the ream. Hold it lengthwise and gently bend it into a slight U shape. Then rotate 90 degrees and flex again. This breaks the compression bond between sheets stuck together from packaging.
There, I can feel them separating already.
Step 3, fan the edges of the stack like a deck of cards. This fully separates each individual sheet and reduces static electricity. Every sheet separate now, no more clumping. Step 4, check your paper guides. Snug reload a smaller amount, but not to 130 matters next snimmed. Smaller stack, guide set, let's see what happens. Let's check the printer's control panel for the correct settings. First, paper type, it should be set to plain paper. Next, paper size, make sure it's set to letter. This will prevent most common printing problems. Step 6, verify your paper settings. Confirm paper type is plain paper, and paper size matches what you are using. A mismatch here can cause jams even when the paper is loaded correctly.
New paper still needs preparation. Now I know.
Here is the complete fix. Step 1, remove all paper from the input tray. Step 2, flex the ream, hold lengthwise, bend into a U shape, rotate 90 degrees, flex again. This breaks the compression bond. Step 3, fan the edges of the stack like a deck of cards, separate every sheet, reduce static. Step 4, check your paper guides, snug but not tight. Step 5, reload 50 to 100 sheets maximum, neatly aligned. Step 6, verify your paper settings, plain paper, correct size, then print. If you followed all 6 steps, the jam is gone. If this fixed your printer, hit like, it helps more people find this fix. Before you go, thank you for watching PrinterFix Pro. Paper jams from a brand new ream feel completely random, but they almost always come down to compressed and stuck sheets. Now you know exactly why it happens in the HP printer you are using. I read everyone. Subscribe if you are not already. New HP fixes every week. No jargon, just what works. Until next time, keep printing.